Oh, why is it not blinking? There it goes. Okay, here we go. I'm happy to report that I'm getting ready to put the head back on my Yamaha jet ski engine. I got it all cleaned up. Got a new anode here. A new anode. Got this water pressure valve on here. I got a new gasket. This is the old one, but I got a new gasket and got this all cleaned up. Got this faced off, not with a machine, but I cleaned it with a Scotch-Brite scratch resistant. I scraped it and then cleaned it with I was careful not to scratch it. I cleaned it with a Scotch-Brite non-scratch cleaner, and I cleaned all this up in the combustion chamber, and I've got some very fine oil in there now. I degreased all this surface here, cleaned out the water jackets. They're all clean, salt-free, no sand or salt. Well, I can't say none. There's definitely some in there, some traces, but it's clear enough where the water, the coolant, the water is going to pass through there. Okay, I'm not going to have any problem until I start piling up sand again inside the water jacket. I mean, I hope that doesn't happen. There's the head. I got it cleaned up. The other side, I haven't cleaned this side yet, the top face, but the other side that mates with the head, I've got it all cleaned up. So I'm getting ready to hoist it up and install it. And I'm happy. I'm happy to get to this point. I've been waiting on parts. Finally got the head gasket. Don't ever install, there's the head gasket again. Don't ever install a head without changing the head gasket. That's very important. So anyways, away we go. Hope to see you on the water.